How to play online matches in eFootball. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can simply play online matches on eFootball. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to play online matches, first of all open the eFootball game over here. As you can see now, there are different type of matches. First is definitely a normal event matches that you get online. In rewards you simply get some kind of coins. The other is actually the rank match, which means division. Now that is basically called eFootball League over here. You can go to eFootball League and you have different type of matches available. Now you have different type of divisions. Your goal is to actually climb up to division 1. I'm currently in division 3. You start from division 10, by the way. Division 9 or 10 you start from those, and then you reach to the top of division 1, and then the higher the division, the tougher the match is going to be. So you have to keep that in mind. Now let me come back and then let me just choose an opponent. So I'm just going to the match. Now it'll just show me after searching and finding some opponents whether I would like to connect or not. Once you find the opponent, you can simply begin playing eFootball online. So let me also go ahead and show you what that looks like. So as you can see, I've found an opponent. I'm just going to proceed. Now that is basically my network connection with that person, and then you can see I've found an opponent which is actually of division 3 as well. Now it's going to be a tough match because he and I are basically in the same league. So I'm going to make some few substitutions right around the corner, and then now I'm just going to go ahead and then proceed the match. If you want, you can view all of your kits as well. You can change the kit settings and so on. You can also view your opponent's squad by going to this, and then you'll be able to see your opponent's squad. And that's all it takes to play eFootball online. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.